Here's a math question. You might see this kind of thing posted on social media and people will argue over what the answer is. 16 divided by 4 times a quantity of 3 plus 3. Sometimes students struggle with this. Sometimes people struggle with it. Students are people, of course. Hey, if you need help with math or SAT and ACT tutoring, contact franktutor@outlook.com. That's the email address. I'm an interactive tutor. See, it gets bigger, smaller, moves around the screen, completely interactive. But if you want tutoring for your math or SAT, ACT prep, franktutor@outlook.com. Or if you just say you'll pay for that, pay for tutoring. But if you just have a question about math, you have a worksheet and you don't know how to do one problem on it or 10 problems on it, a test is coming up and you have to know how to do them, send an email to franktutor@outlook.com. You'll get a response generally by the next morning. But franktutor@outlook.com, I will answer your questions about math, please, for free. So use the resource. But back to this one, 16 divided by 4 times the quantity of 3 plus 3. People will argue about it, but it comes down to PEMDAS. You must remember PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, left to right, addition and subtraction, left to right. Multiplication and division are equal, but, in other words, they're the same priority, but do it left to right. Addition and subtraction, same priority, but do it left to right. So I'll do parentheses first. 3 plus 3 is 6. 16 divided by 4 times 6. Now I've only got multiplication and division left. I'm going to do it left to right. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. Some people would get confused at this point and say, well, it says multiplication, division, so I'll do multiplication first. They forget about the left to right part and that they're equal. And so they do 4 times 6. 16 divided by 24 equals, 8 goes into 16 twice, into 24 3 times equals 2/3. That is incorrect. It's multiplication, division, left to right. So 16 divided by 4 times 3 plus 3 is 24. franktutor@outlook.com.